We are a learner-centered, future-focused program here to inspire and support strengths, interests, and passions while building courage, empathy, kindness, and resilience in each and every learner to ensure a world-class learning environment.
So let me tell you what we do in our kindergarten class. We do math, we do reading, we do writing, we do experiments, we go to campus. My favorite things are on campus and doing experiments.
What I like about Connect Academy is campus! Every Thursday we go to campus for an hour and play with fun stuff like painting, gardening, play with toys, touch waters, play with cars, and do a lot of things on campus.
I have both time to be with other students and time to work independently without distractions. Besides normal homework, I have lots of bonus activities to do that are both fun and educational.
Also, because you can make new friends, the learning is so fun there.
I love Connect Academy.
I love Connect Academy. I love my teachers.
I also love the in-person experiences.
I love Connect Academy, and I hope you will too.
These are the reasons why I love Connect Academy.